those multicolor kits, some of my favorites in USL League One. Gets things started. 3-3-4 in the season are Tormenta. 3-3-4 in the season are forward Madison. Ball in from Bill Hart. Looking for that first home goal. There it is. The monkey off the back. It took 463 minutes, but Tormenta have scored a goal at home. And it's Jake Dengler, all smiles for his first goal of the season. As we take a look back at our Coca-Cola replay, it's a set piece buried by Dengler. First home goal of the season. This the 6th home match, and they do it in the 13th minute. It's a very well-designed boot bag, and 100% of the proceeds benefit Black Player Alliance causes both nationally and locally, as this sneaks through from Maldonado, and it's put in the back of the net. Seems to be an own goal. Regardless, it's an equalizer.
Goal for forward Madison.
Ball that just snuck through. It seemed like Hara would be all over it, and it wasn't meant to be. And it was Owen Green, actually, at the end of that, who got a foot on it and just slid it into the net. Fortuitous hop comes right back towards Umeda, but he can't maintain it. It's Maldonado, Mikey Maldonado, space to get a shot off. Maldonado looking. Plays it back for O.J. Smith. He tees it up, sidesteps and strikes, off a deflection, and in! It's forward Madison in front for the first time tonight. O.J. Smith, his first of the season, is a massive goal. Look back at this. This goal was created by Mikey Maldonado. So much hustle, getting the ball back. He finds Smith, takes a deflection, and in. Creates that little extra bit of space, that little extra window that was needed. And Cassini whistled for the foul on Otieno. Ajay looking for that equalizer. Ajay goes centrally. Ajay, yes! And we're deadlocked at 2. Third of the season for the man who just minutes ago was on the doorstep and could not convert in back-to-back matches. As we look at our Coca-Cola replay, he creates that window of space, works it past Brino. One-on-one on a really skilled defender in Mitch Osmond. Maldonado floats it, still curls, on frame, denied by Hara. Pinballs out of play. Green quickly in the throw. And there it is. A point apiece in a back and forth affair. Both teams took a lead. Both teams found a tying goal.